It's International Women's Day. I am Sinead Gillett, CMO of iCabbi Move AI. You're Dr. Cassandra Bradford, and we are Women in Transport.
We are.
And we want to talk about women in transport.
Yes.
Cassandra, you've been working with women in transport, in leadership, in management, female owners, female innovators. What does it take to be a successful woman in transport in 2025?
Building relationships, technology, AI. I believe that if we can build relationships, listen, we are better at building relationships, right?
Yep.
Do business as a woman, build relationships. I think that is the key to success of any business anywhere.
Okay, do business as a woman. Can we talk about that? Okay, because I love this. If you're a woman in transport, be a woman in transport. Don't be a woman pretending to be like a man in transport, right?
No, when we don't have to be. Listen, we have conferences, we have information, we have study guides, with all of this out here to teach women how to be the best at what they can be, regardless of your business. So listen, I love being a woman in business. I get to meet amazing people like Sinead from all over the world doing amazing things in their business.
Yeah, and you know, use the feminine values. Be
Yes.
empathetic, be kind,
Yes.
be personable. Don't see those things as weaknesses because they're female attributes. And of course, men have those attributes too.
Yeah.
Embrace them.
Embrace them and find another woman that you can team with.
Yes.
And do great things
like
together.
us. We're
Yes.
teaming all the time.
Yes.
Okay. Happy International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day.